If you have not been a Creative Pro, you gotta come.
I get to meet a lot of really interesting people. It's a big creative environment for me, and it's very inspiring to meet people that are not in my industry.
Creative Pro keeps me current because when there's new things in, like there is every day with these programs, I know how to use them instead of them just showing up.
People that come here are very like-minded, they're very open, very curious, and we all love designing stuff and making cool things.
Professionals that not only talk the theory, right? This is what they use. This is what makes their workflow faster.
You're networking not with just the participants, but you're networking with all of the speakers. Everybody is down to earth.
And get to learn all new things about AI, InDesign, Illustrator, all of the products and things that I use on a daily basis, and just really engage with the community.
Having those resources available to me and also being able to come to the conference and get those videos for a year, you know, because sometimes you see something you forget, so being able to rewatch everything has been great.
And you can take a look and see what other designers are doing, and it can help you as a developer figure out what kind of things can automate the process or help the process.
It's just an amazing overall adventure to be able to learn from leading experts and even people that you meet.
The things that I most looked forward to is just meeting up with people, seeing old friends, meeting new people, learning all the new stuff that people bring, the questions they bring, and the presenters showing new features and things.
When I hear Creative Pro, I think of creativity, I think of collaboration, I think of learning.
If you want to take your skills, your workflow to the next level, you have to attend Creative Pro Week.